Hello again and welcome to Virtual Crafts. In the last video we saw how we can obtain a list of all the packages that are installed, the packages that have updates available, and we saw if a certain package is installed or not. In this video I'll show you how you can find a package whose name you have forgotten and you only remember a part of the name or a substring. We'll basically search for that substring and all the packages having that substring will be listed. So open your terminal. Switch to the root user. Here, as we saw in the last video, that we can obtain a list of all the packages by writing the command rpm-qa, and you can see that a complete list of all the packages that are installed is listed. And now let's assume that we want to list this particular package. We know how to list it as we saw it in the last video by using the command rpm-q and then the name of this package. But assuming that we have forgotten the name of this package and we only now remember a part of the name or a substring, then to search for this package you will write rpm-qa. This means that obtain a complete list of the package. Now we will specify in this command that what is to be searched. You will enter a pipeline or the straight line symbol from your keyboard. It is on the button that has backslash, then space, and then write grep. Grep is used to search for substrings, and then write that half string that you remember. Let's say we enter jas or jasp, so I'll write jasp and then press enter, and you can see that it has listed the package that had that substring. Now let's execute this command again and remove the last letter and keep only jas. Now there is still only one package that has this substring. If I go on and keep removing the last letters from it, let's see that if we get any other packages in the list. Let's run JA this time, and now you can see that there are multiple packages that have JA substring in their names. So this is how you can search for a particular package if you have forgotten its name and you only know a substring. Now there is another command for this as well. It serves the same purpose. I'll clear the terminal, and the command is yum search, and let's enter the substring for that Jasper package. And here you can see that it has listed all the package with their description as well. The slight difference is that search is more extensive and it goes within documents as well, but rpm-qa lists only packages. So if you're searching for packages only, that is more clearer. Here with this command you'll only get package name and version, and you won't have to go through all this junk. So this is how you can search for a particular package if you've forgotten its name. I hope this command was helpful. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon next to it to receive the notifications of every new video uploaded. Thank you and see you in the next video.